Hi, this is a 6-part series learning how to visualize data in Postman. We just added the visualizer. In this video, we'll add the layout. Let's head over to Postman and move on to step 3 in our Get Started folder. Now that we've added pm.visualizer.set under the Test tab, let's take a look at the first parameter, layout. This is a required parameter, and it'll be our HTML template string of the front-end view that we want to render. In our example code, we see a placeholder template for our layout as the first parameter in pm.visualizer.set. We haven't initialized that variable yet, so above this code, add a variable called template as an empty string. Inside the template string, add some HTML elements like header, text, or an image. Hit send. Now take a look at the Visualize tab of the response. You should see something like this. This is good, but we haven't actually passed any data to our template yet. This visualization, this front-end view is hard-coded. Let's keep going. In this video, we looked at the first parameter of the pm.visualizer.set method, the layout. It's an HTML template string of the front-end view that we want to render. Coming up next, let's pass some data to this template.